discussing about another important and interesting function, that is getche. What is this getche? It is almost looking similar to getche, yes. What is the work of this getche? It is also doing the same work as getche and getchar. It is taking one character from the keyboard. Then why we are using this getche? We already have getche. The important thing, the difference, the major difference between the getche and getche is, getche is taking one character from the keyboard, but the character is not being displayed on the console window. But when we use getche, after the character is taken by the getche, that will be displayed on the console window. That is the only difference. I am executing the same program that is written for the last program getche. We are taking a character variable a of 1 byte and we are giving the chance to the user to enter his name, first letter, and that name will be stored in a with the help of the getche, because getche is taking one character and that variable a is storing the value. That value will be printed with the help of the %c using the standard library output function printf. Okay, we are executing this program. Enter the first letter of your name. I am again executing y. See here, when we used the getche, the y is not printed on the console window, but when we are using the getche, the y is printed on the console window. Still it is blinking. The execution and remaining things are not coming because we have used the getche. No, we want to do some change. I want to use getche. Yes, you can use. There is no problem. At the end of the program, if you are interested in using getche, similar, the program I am entering again the program is executed, but after the letter, if you want to enter any letter, then the process is written like that it is coming. We are executing this program because the getche is already used by us. This is the working of getche.